Mars, the red planet, offers a far more compelling and promising destination for colonization. Mars beckons us with the promise of a new home, a place where humanity can thrive and grow for generations to come. Unlike the Moon, Mars holds the key ingredients necessary for sustained human life: accessible resources, a potential for terraforming, and a wealth of scientific opportunities. Our journey to Mars will be challenging, but the rewards make it an endeavor worthy of our greatest ambitions. By embracing the challenge and daring to dream big, we can make Mars our next giant leap. One of the most compelling reasons Mars outshines the Moon as a colonization target lies in its abundance of vital resources. Water, a cornerstone of life, exists on Mars in the form of polar ice caps and subsurface ice deposits. This water can be extracted and purified to support human settlements, and even used to create breathable oxygen through electrolysis. Mars' thin atmosphere, composed primarily of carbon dioxide, can be utilized in greenhouses to grow food and convert it into breathable oxygen. The Martian soil, rich in iron oxide, can be used for construction materials and processed to extract valuable minerals. This wealth of resources makes Mars a far more attractive destination for a self-sustaining colony compared to the Moon. By utilizing the resources available on Mars, we can minimize our reliance on costly supply missions from Earth, paving the way for a truly independent Martian colony. Another key advantage Mars holds over the Moon is its gravity. At roughly 38% of Earth's gravity, Martian gravity is significantly stronger than the Moon's. This difference in gravity has profound implications for long-term human health and well-being. While the long-term effects of Martian gravity on human physiology are still being studied, it is believed that Mars's stronger gravity will be far more conducive to human health compared to the Moon's weak gravitational pull. Structures on Mars can be built using conventional materials and techniques, unlike lunar structures, which would require specialized designs to withstand low-gravity stresses. Section 4. Building a future sustainability on Mars. For a Martian colony to truly thrive and become a self-sufficient outpost of humanity, it must be designed with long-term sustainability in mind. The presence of water ice on Mars is a game-changer for sustainability. This water can be used not only for drinking and agriculture but also for generating rocket fuel. By splitting water into hydrogen and oxygen, we can create a renewable source of rocket propellant, allowing for transportation between Earth and Mars. Mars' potential for terraforming also contributes to its long-term sustainability. While terraforming Mars is a monumental undertaking, the presence of water ice and a carbon dioxide atmosphere provides the building blocks necessary to potentially engineer a more hospitable environment over time. The Moon, with its limited resources and harsh environment, presents a significant challenge to long-term sustainability. Section 5. Unlocking Martian secrets. Scientific opportunities abound. Beyond the practical considerations of resources and sustainability, Mars offers a treasure trove of scientific opportunities that far surpass those offered by the Moon. Mars, once a warm and wet planet like Earth, holds clues to the history of our own solar system and the potential for life beyond our home planet. The search for signs of past or present life on Mars is perhaps the most tantalizing scientific pursuit. The discovery of even microbial life on Mars would revolutionize our understanding of life in the universe. Mars's geological formations provide a rich tapestry for geologists to study. The scientific discoveries awaiting us on Mars have the potential to rewrite textbooks and fundamentally alter our understanding of the universe. Section 6. Mars, our next giant leap. The allure of space exploration has captivated humanity for centuries. As we stand on the cusp of establishing a permanent human presence beyond Earth, the choice of where to venture first is critical. While the Moon might seem like a tempting stepping stone, Mars offers a far more compelling and promising destination for colonization. From its abundant resources and potential for terraforming to its stronger gravity and wealth of scientific opportunities, Mars presents a compelling case for why it should be our next giant leap.